Construction sites in New York can be very dangerous places. We've seen cranes fall and collapse onto adjacent buildings, materials fall from a height and strike pedestrians. You can sue the general contractor who's responsible for coordinating all this work. You can also sue the property owner normally if the conditions of the premises contributed to that, and the contractor who is directly responsible for the cause of the injury. So there are a multiple number of parties that can be sued on a construction site accident in New York, even by a passerby or a visitor.